Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow tea. Yellow tea is a rare and exquisite beverage, known for its mellow taste and unique processing. Unlike green tea, yellow tea undergoes an extra step called smothering or menhuen, which gives it its characteristic yellow hue and smooth flavor. This process reduces the grassy notes, resulting in a wonderfully delicate and slightly sweet cup. Let's dive into the steps to brew this delightful tea. First, gather your high-quality yellow tea leaves and fresh water. For optimal flavor, use about 3 grams of tea leaves for every 200 milliliters of water. Heat your water to a precise temperature, ideally between 80 and 85 degrees Celsius or 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Before adding the leaves, warm your teapot and cups by rinsing them with some of the hot water. This helps maintain a consistent brewing temperature. Now place the warm tea leaves into your teapot. Pour the heated water over the leaves, ensuring they are fully submerged. For the first infusion, steep the tea for 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your preference for strength. You'll notice the leaves unfurl and release their subtle fragrance. After pouring, observe the beautiful pale yellow liquor. Yellow tea can typically be re-steeped several times, with each infusion offering a slightly different nuance. To keep your yellow tea fresh, store it in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight, moisture, and strong odors. Proper storage is crucial for preserving its delicate flavor and aroma for up to 12 months. This ensures every cup you brew is as delightful as the first. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your perfectly brewed yellow tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.